The fabric you choose can make or break your dress. It can either highlight areas like your tummy or help create a smooth, stunning silhouette. Hi everyone, it's Mel from Sparkly Belly. With over 10 years of experience in making belly dance costumes, I know how the right fabric can smooth and shape your silhouette. So today I'll walk you through 4 key tips to choose the perfect fabric to flatter your shape and hide a tummy. Let's get started.
The first one is color. The color of the fabric plays a huge role in how you look in your dress. Lighter colors tend to show bumps and bulges more. If you want to hide a tummy or any other bumps, choose a dark color. But a dark color doesn't have to be black. It can be navy blue, dark green, burgundy. Or if you don't want the whole outfit to look dark and heavy, you can use these colors in the areas that you want to appear smaller, or decorate your outfit with lighter colors, or choose a design like this that shows your skin. This dress design is one of my favorites because it has a belly panel with nice curves, which also help create an hourglass figure. If you want to make one for yourself, you can find a tutorial down below. The second thing to look at is sheen. Some fabrics are shiny and others are matte. Shiny fabric is great at highlighting bumps and bulges. I love this beige dress design, but this fabric has a little sheen. And when I'm in this dress, I feel like I need to suck in my stomach to hide it. So if you want to feel relaxed in your dress, it's best to go for matte. And matte fabric doesn't have to be plain or boring. It can be matte fabric with fun prints. Or solid matte fabric gives you a nice blank canvas to decorate with appliques and rhinestones. It's a great idea to layer sparkly accessories to add sparkles too. Next, texture. Additional texture like velvet and lace tends to hide the appearance of a tummy as well. This dark green fabric has a little fuzzy texture, and even though it has a little sheen, it does a good job hiding my tummy. This lace fabric doesn't highlight my bumps much either. If you compare it with this red dress, which is the same pattern but it's modified a little bit, you can see my tummy is highlighted more with this smooth fabric. So if you want to hide bumps, consider texture too. And finally, thickness of the fabric. Thicker fabric is better at hiding bumps too. Here's an interesting example. This navy blue dress is shiny, so it could highlight my tummy. But I added a layer of lycra as a lining for this dress, which gave the dress more thickness. And it does a good job smoothing out the bumps. Compare with this beige dress, which is the same pattern with a little modification. This one is made with 1 layer of lycra, and my tummy shows more in this dress. For your information, this lycra fabric was 260 grams per square meter. This unit, grams per square meter, indicates the weight of the fabric, which is an indicator of how thick the fabric is. You can check this number when you're shopping online, but of course it's always best to buy a swatch or sample of the fabric you want to use first and check the thickness in person. Like I said, these 2 dresses were made with same pattern with some modifications. But because of the differences in color, sheen, texture, and thickness, they're quite different in the way they show or hide my tummy and other bumps. It's quite incredible, right?
If you want to make any of the dresses you saw in this video, you'll find the tutorials in the description below. So try using one or more of these tips next time you make a fitted dress or a skirt and let me know how it goes. And if you're someone who wants to make better dance costumes, be sure to subscribe and watch this video next. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!